We just come here in Marselisborg Deer Hill. It's with animals, Marselisborg. Yeah, Marselisborg. So as you can see, there's some animals right there, guys. So, I'll show you. See that in my back are the deers freely walking here in this park. So it's open and you're allowed to touch them.
And hand feed them.
We're still here. The weather is so nice, and there's a river. Still here in all the they're wild animals. Yes, can you see there from the back? That's the one. We're on our way to Marselisborg Slot. See you. So we're going out to this. That's a hill. This is the gate. See you in Marselisborg. So these are the animals you can see in the park. Okay. So they are freely walking inside that park, and it's surrounded with fences so they cannot go out. And they are people friendly. You can just bring vegetables and feed them. Okay, see you. Arrive here and look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. That's super blue, and there's people all over, everywhere, because it's people enjoying the nice weather here in Denmark. So nice. Well,
Spectacularly view.
yeah. Er det ikke den her, skat? Huh?
I don't know.
Jo. Somewhere there is the Mary. That's the castle there. So we arrived. This is the gate. It's so big. And the castle. Sabihin mo, Scott? Sabihin mo. So we arrived. This is the gate. To get in there, and then that is the name. This is the map. Okay, so look at this gate, the gate. This is the gate, and then this house is where the soldiers stand. Oh, this is his house. So this is the castle. Sometimes the Queen in Denmark, she spent time here.
In her summer residence.
Marselisborg Castle in Aarhus, Denmark. So
no road alive.
this is their view. They have overlooking view to the ocean. That's an ocean there. So nice. But they're closed today. We cannot get inside. Queen, she's not here. So we're alone.